Well, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I took a couple weeks off, one for the holiday and the other because I was sick and did not feel good. Thank you, children. But now I'm back and I have the Vettsy Christmas Mystery Box and I cannot wait to see what's inside. So I think we should just go ahead and jump right in. So in addition to the box, I also got a mystery bag from them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up first before we jump into like the big guy here. I figure we can just kind of see what goodies we got in here. So these are $9.99. You can buy them anytime. Typically when you buy a box, I'll ask you if you want to like throw one in, and I sometimes will, depending on like what holiday it is. So here we have some foil. I'm not even sure what this is. Not even sure how to get this open. Let's see here. Let me see if oh, okay. It was kind of all jumbled and very difficult to see. Let me see if I can kind of focus on what we've got here. So we've got like some gold Christmas trees, little gingerbread, Christmas ornaments. Very cute. Really, really nice stuff. I love their foils because they typically have a clear background and they're usually like spread apart. So if you just want to grab like one thing off of there, they make it kind of easy for you to do that. Then we got ourselves a glitter, and this is GE214D, and it almost looks like bronze and blue. So I don't know if you can see it better now, but very nice. We got a cuticle oil. This is a cuticle stick, and it comes with like the brush end. I have tons of these. I like getting these because I use them. I just keep them on my desk and use them when I can. Next, we have a solid cream polish in number 44 prime time. Let's see if I can open it and see what it looks like. It kind of just looks like a brown, but you never know. Okay. That actually, I know you're like, oh, what are, brown for Christmas, but I feel like for like gingerbread men, or even like when you're making Christmas trees, like, I don't know, I think it could be useful. I need to start going through my collection when I buy these like boxes or bags, because you can actually tell them like not to give you a repeat item. So I kind of need to like look through, because I'm pretty sure I might have that color and also this color, which is 03 Stranger. I definitely feel like I have this color, or at least something similar to it. Let's see. It just looks like, okay, so this is more like a mauve-y color than what I was expecting. It's coming off like brown on camera, but it's definitely got more of like a cool undertone to it. Could be nice as a base color. Let's get through this one quickly so we can get to the box, because I'm excited to see what's in there. So we got some chunky glitter, which would be great for aquarium nails, which I am for sure planning on doing another aquarium nail for Christmas, because I had so much fun doing the one for Halloween. So I can't wait to try that out again. I'm just gonna grab these two things because, okay, so we got a snowflake. God, what do you call these things? Why? A snowflake mold. Now their molds are really cool and I have quite a few of them. I did make some last year and I ended up not using them in the video, unfortunately, but these snowflakes look gorgeous. It almost looks like you could just make like one big one, the way the mold is set up, or make them separately depending on what you feel like doing. And this thing, I'm not 100% sure what this thing is. I think it's like a brush holder. You just kind of sit down and you can like rest your brushes in there. I believe that's what it is. And then we got a Christmas tree filled with glitter. Very cool. This is big chunky glitter again. I don't really know. I mean, you'd have to encapsulate this kind of glitter and you wouldn't even really be able to use it for an aquarium nail. The snowflakes are great, but like the bigger pieces, they're quite large. They wouldn't fit like inside of a nail. But then you've basically got the smaller version of that. I don't want to open this because it is everywhere, but it's essentially the same stuff that's in there, but just tinier. Let me see if I can get the glare to go away. So there's like Christmas trees and candy canes and stars and snowflakes. All right, and then for the final items that are in this little bag, we got some stickers. I love their stickers. And you can buy their stickers. I think they have them like on sale sometimes for less than $1. But yeah, these are great. I really like these. These are super cute. I hate the glare. Sorry, guys. I don't want to take it out of the plastic right now. I have a whole sticker book and I like go and put them in there. Okay, let's get the box. I'm excited for the box. Okay, my son was like, can you please open it? Because he knows I always give him like the cutesy stuff that they put in here. I was like, I don't want to mess up the bow. So here we go. Let's open her up. It might take me a minute to get this off. Hold on. Okay, well, I am back for part 2 of me filming this section of the video where I unbox the box. Somehow I was not filming the first time around, so now I have to do it all over again. And I don't have like the cute little packaging that some of the items came in because I unwrapped everything and threw it away. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in with what we have in the box. And the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this cute little calendar. And I love this because it has all the months of the year here, so you can use it anytime. I mean, yes, it's Christmas themed, but you know, it's not just for December. That is gonna go right on my desk. And then next, of course, we have some stickers. I actually think these are super cute, and you know, snowflakes are always a must during the winter time. They're great for December and January. And then you get a little, you know, welcome back coupon code for 25% off if you want to go ahead and like screenshot that really quickly. And then in all of the boxes, you got a little greeting card, which I thought was so stinking cute. And this one says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. And it is blank, so you could use this for anybody, which I thought was adorable. I happen to really like this card. I think it's super cute. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, in here, we have some red stones. And they're pretty small, which is nice because I have some big ones, but I don't have small ones. And you've got like all different shapes and sizes here. Let me see if I can get like a good little focus. There's all kinds of stuff. You got moons, you got flowers, you got hearts. So cute. Love it. Next, I have this one right here that are just basically flat gold pieces, and we got your typical Christmas trees and like David's star, or Star of David I should say, and then regular stars, but then you've got like little candies and lollipops over here, which I thought was adorable. All right, next, so I don't really know what to do with this like chunky glitter. I feel like the only thing that I could use it for would be aquarium nails. Like this over here is so pretty. It would be absolutely gorgeous on like a mermaid nail set. And these I think are just like the like shards of glitter. I don't really know what you call that. This almost looks like foil paper that's been like shredded up, but then I kind of see some color in there too. It's hard to see because it's all like stuck to the outside. Yeah, I think it's just like shredded up silver foil, to be honest with you. All right, next we have this color that, oh my god guys, it's so pretty. It's called Enchanted, and this is their Hema Free line. Tell me that is not a beautiful, it's like a rosy red color, and it is so pretty. Like I would wear this just by itself for this time of year. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you are looking for Hema-free polishes, Vettsy has a whole new line of them, and they have tons of different colors, so just keep that in mind. And then the next polish we have is this green one. And it is so beautiful. Oh, it is not like a color shifting type of gel polish, but it is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Again, on its own or as like an accent nail, it would be beautiful. And then we of course have like a Christmas glitter selection, and down here we just have some more of like the smaller snowflakes, very similar to what's in here, but I would just say like a little smaller in size. I'll open it up so you guys can see. And I love these little sets of glitters. They always give them out on their boxes, and they're really pretty. Okay, sometimes they do like powders, chrome powders, or like pigment powders. Sometimes they do glitters, but yeah, total like Christmas glitter. I think I even have like glow in the dark ones from them too. Okay, next, what do I want to grab for you guys? I guess let's go ahead with these two little solid gel polishes. This one is a gorgeous green. It is number 55 Oasis, and it's like the same green as that envelope and the card that I pulled out. Oh, chef's kiss. It is such a Christmas green. I don't even think I own that color, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy they gave it to me. And then next we have number 57, Shine Bright, which is just a beautiful glitter gel polish. And it looks packed full of gold glitter. Like, I cannot wait to use this also. Ooh. I have the box on my lap and it almost fell. This is like their new chrome powders. I have a couple of them and I cannot wait to try them out because they are really pretty. And I think that you can use their like stamps with this too. They have like the plastic stamps, but you can also use like metal stamps. Also, don't judge. Don't judge the 2 fingernails that are left on. I'm keeping them on for a video, okay? Right, next we have this collection of balls. Uh-oh, get back in there. I think these would be so cute if you were gonna do like a Christmas tree with ornaments on your nails. Like, hello, perfect for that. Absolutely stunning. Or even like I did a video a while back for Valentine's Day, I think it was, and I just created this heart out of like a bunch of different little beads and gems, and this would have been perfect for that. And I cannot get this thing in here, so anyways, I think they're so pretty. I have another mold, and this one has, it's kind of hard to see, but there's Christmas trees and stockings and snowflakes. Really, really cute. This one's kind of tiny, but I feel like it would be kind of perfect. They're not huge. If you're not into like big, like kawaii, like gems or, you know, big things on your nails, I feel like this would be perfect for you because they're kind of on the smaller side. So I actually don't hate it. I have a lot of their molds and I haven't really used them. I kind of want to like get into using a lot of stuff that I have that I just don't get to showcase on my channel because I'm like reviewing stuff all the time. Okay, the next thing, we just have a bunch of Christmas like accent gems, if you will. We've got a little reindeer, a Christmas present, some bells, and a wreath. Very nice. Adorable. I have a bunch of these from Vettsy and they're great because they give you quite a few of them in here and you can always save them. Like, they're really good quality. Like, I've used them and actually saved them before. And then we have these like flakies. I don't know what the heck I would use this for, to be honest with you. And I'm not going to open this because it has a plastic seal on it and you can see that they're all like stuck on this little plastic thing. I don't have a clue what I would do with this. However, I say that and guarantee you I see a nail look where they're using this and I'm like, that looks so cool. That always happens to me. Now, this item is very interesting. I'm gonna try to open it without spilling it all over the place. They look, inside of here, they looked like little shell pieces, but they're actually, like, I need something to like dig around in here with. They're actually like little pieces of torn up foil with like silver glitter like sprinkled inside. It's so weird. I've never seen anything like this before. Again, another item where I'm not like quite sure what I'm supposed to do with this. Like, do I rub it on the nail? Do I not? Do I just like stick it down? I'm not 100% sure. It looks stunning, like it's absolutely gorgeous in the container, but I don't know what they use this for this. Someone give me some ideas. I need some ideas of what to do with these things, okay? All right, next item, we have some beautiful gem snowflakes. Okay, this is so stinking cute. It's like a little diamond, but in the shape of a snowflake. How pretty, so pretty. If you can't tell, I like shiny things, okay? I even like the little containers because they're almost like diamond shaped around the edges. I love that, it's cute. Okay, the last, but certainly not least item is this Flower Field Gel in FG05. And it is the weirdest thing I have ever seen. Well, I wouldn't say it's the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life, but it's pretty interesting. So it's got a bunch of those like glitter shards in it, and then it looks like there's almost like some chunky red glitter with like a jelly red gel. So it's like a transparent gel with a bunch of glitter in it. Looks really cool. Not what I was expecting. Like, when you say flower field, I was expecting there to be like little flowers in it because there are gels that exist. And based on like this little picture here, I don't know, I was not expecting it to look pink, but very cool. I'm excited to experiment with this because it looks really nice. All right, so I will be back in a bit with my outro and just to kind of give it my final thoughts on this box and what I think. Okay, so when I purchased this box, it was $39.99. It looks like this box is currently sold out at the moment. They do have their mega seasonal holiday mystery boxes. They have 2 of them, and they're both $69.99 right now, but they have like a lot of stuff in them, it looks like. And you can also use my coupon code to shop on their website and save yourself some coinage. They have like a huge sale going on right now. They have like 60% off like clearance items and other like holiday sales going on other items on their website. I highly recommend you check it out because you can get some really good stuff over there for very reasonable prices, in my opinion anyways. They have a huge selection of like nail art items in general, but they also have an amazing selection. If you are a fan of like solid gel polishes, they have every color you could possibly freaking think of. And like I said, they have their new HEMA free line of gel polishes. So I personally love shopping at Vettsy. I get a lot of good stuff from there, and I think, you know, the mystery boxes are a good way to like try them out. Now I will say that you cannot use my coupon code on the mystery boxes because that stuff is already so discounted when you're getting them in the boxes, but you can use it on everything else on their website. Just keep that in mind. So I will have that and the other 2 boxes linked down below in my description box if you want to go check them out, as well as just their regular old websites. You can check out anything there that you want to shop for these holidays. And these mystery boxes make pretty dang good Christmas gifts. Like, I would love to get one of these for Christmas, that's for sure, especially one of the bigger ones. So anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a wonderful holiday, and I cannot wait to do some Christmas nail looks for you guys on my channel. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys next week where I am reviewing a brand new e-file. I hope it's good. Alright guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!